It's episode 2 of learning Procreate tools. So today we are learning this buckle thing, and how we can create a metal look, a shine on the buckle, or we can do the same thing on the corset. It's too much in on the trends like that. So this is kind of a metal look we have created, and we can create on the illustration, or we can create anywhere else. So we're gonna start with blank sheet. So here is a free size canvas, and we are choosing calligraphy with monoline brush, and then we are just creating the circle, the second circle. We can add this thing, or we require it or not, whatever, we can do that. So rest, we are going to drag my color over here, and now we need the second option from here. First is range, and second one is this adjustments, where we have Gaussian blur, and we're blurring it. Before blurring, okay, we are blurring it, but before blurring it, we can do one more thing. We can take soft brush, this is a soft blend, and we are creating grays and black. Some white. So as you can see, we already have created a shine. Now we're going to the Gaussian blur, and we are blurring it till the 16%, and then we are here with the noise, and then dragging it to the texture like that, and then choosing this is happened by its own. It's just after tapping on the noise, it's just popped up. So we're choosing the third option from here, and then scaling it up. This much. And now we are going to the layers, and now we are here with the mask layer. Sorry, we have done everything on the same layer. So that's why you're not getting the option. So what you're going to do here, you're going to go back, and now doing everything again. Choosing the Gaussian blur again till the 27%, and then noise, dragging to the this much texture, and then going to the third option, and then this is this much, or we can add more. This is fine. Now I'm getting the option of clipping mask, and now here we have mask on it. So now with the second option, we can choose a liquify tool to give it a liquid effect on the edges. We can add one more layer, and then we are adding black is already too black, so we are going to the first layer. We're choosing a different color, and then we can do that to change the color, but this is fine. Or we can change the background sheet, or we can remove the background. We can change the color of it to see the real effect on it. So this is fine. Now choosing the black. Do not worry, we're going to mask this thing. We just need to use the edges to be darker. Give it a little 3D look here. Now clipping mask. So now you can see it's completely done without anything and efforts, anything much effort or anything. So we have done with that. Or we can add buckle or chain over here